Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about weekly prediction from 26th of October to 1st of November 2020. My all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign and nothing to do with your zodiac sign. So let's talk about Aries Ascendants. Aries Ascendants, this whole week from 26th of October to 1st of November 2020, this whole week brings a lot of mixed results for you. You're feeling very down and negative about mental stress will there, and you're not feeling very positive, and some type of you may involve in some type of arguments with your near and dears, and this time when you will be under shadow, you can say the planetary position is not in your favor. Ascendant Lord is retrograde. It is going to give some stress, some hurdles in your success path. This is a time when you try to do your best but you are fail to success. Overall, this whole week brings mixed fruit for you. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday will be a struggling days for you, but Thursday, Friday and Saturday will give you lot of fruitful results. You will enjoy good comforts. Some unexpected money will knock you. Especially Friday and Saturday will be a very rewarding days for you, when your all hard work pay off you and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your family will support you. First 3 days, you're feeling very low and very negative. Monday to Wednesday evening, you're not in a comfort zone. So don't take any decision in rush, and don't sign any new documents, don't sign any new deal in this week, especially Monday to Wednesday. Thursday, things will change in your favor and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Overall, Friday and Saturday, you will get unexpected money from your source, from your business or from your workplace. Those native who are unemployed may get a job, but this week is not very promising in the terms of getting a job. So now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants. Taurus Ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Materialistic gains are there. You will enjoy a lot of benefits, but you are not mentally happy, because this time some type of problem you will face from your family side. Your family may demand something from you. Your kids or your parents or your brother sister may demand something from you which is irritating you. So you need to be patient and try to with the polite talks with your family and friends. This is a time when planets are check your patience. Overall, you are very near to good fortune, because Jupiter is going to enter in your 9th house from 20th November. But this whole week brings a lot of good results from Wednesday to till Saturday, when your all desires will be fulfilled. If you want to travel in foreign land, this is a very productive week. If you plan something related to foreign journeys, this is a very productive week. Something which will happen very positive, which is far away from your place. So this whole week is very promising note for Taurus Ascendants for you, especially those native who are waiting for our promotion or our increment in job. They may get blessed with a good success in this week, especially Wednesday to Saturday. So now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants, you need to be careful about dealings or talking with your elders. This is not very productive time. You will under deep depression or stress without any reason. Planetary position is not in your favor. Mercury is retrograde in this week. Mars is also retrograde. You are not feeling comfortable. You are not feeling in positive energy. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Relationship with your family and your friends will irritate you. Your relationship with your family is not going as per your expectations. This whole week brings a lot of tension, stress, mental hurdles and deep depression. So must read Lord Ganesh Chalisa every day morning. It will help you to create some positive aura around you. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendants. Cancer Ascendants, this whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday, you are feeling very low and uncomfort. And if you are unemployed, you may get job in this week. Wednesday to Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be a rewarding days for you, when you will get some good news related to your professional life. You may get some orders, you may get some new business dealing. All around, this whole week brings positive result after Tuesday, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts and benefit. Your siblings will support you, your family will support you, you will enjoy a lot of comforts and your health will be fine. You will enjoy very positive energy during this week. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, lot of good gains, but after Tuesday. So overall, Wednesday to Saturday, you will be in sky high and you will get some good news related to your professional life. Your health will be fine and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Blessings of your mother will make your way easy. This whole week brings a lot of positivity. This whole week brings a lot of good connections, or some new friends will enter in your life, or you have a very good tie-up with your old friends. So this whole week brings a lot of positivity, peace of mind, success. You will get a lot of gains and you will enjoy a lot of comforts this week. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendants. Leo Ascendants, this whole week you need to be careful and be positive, because this week is very negative for your mental thought. You are not feeling happy, you are getting disturbed and upset. From 26th of November to from 26th of October to 1st of November, you are not feeling comfortable, your health is not fine, and your relationship with your siblings will be under shadow. You are trying to start fighting with your friends, or you may be in a part of any arguments. Don't be a part of any arguments. Always try to be in a polite relationship. This whole week brings a lot of positivity. This whole week brings a lot of good energy. But after Wednesday, so Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday will be a struggling days for you. Don't sign any new contract. Don't be a part of any new deal. So but from Thursday to Saturday, you will be in another horizon, and you feel very much positive and relaxed. But overall, this week will give you mixed results, and you are not happy the way you get the response from your business, from your earning. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. Virgo Ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of stress for you. You are not feeling comfortable because Mercury is retrograde, Mars is also retrograde, your Ascendants Lord is in retrograde position. This will create some unbalance, your savings will be unbalanced and you are not in a comfort zone. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You may be a part of any litigation. Your health is not fine. You are feeling very low energy. This whole week brings a lot of tension, lot of stress for you. This whole week, you don't start. If you want to start anything new with someone, don't start any new business. Don't be a part of any new venture, because some struggles are there, some negative energy are there, because your Ascendant Lord is retrograde, and when Mercury is retrograde, never start anything new. This is for every Ascendant, especially for Virgo Ascendants, being your first Lord is retrogression motion, not a very good transit for you. So please be patient and do your wonders. Have to wait for Jupiter transit, will give you lot of change after 20th November, but this whole week brings a lot of mixed result for you. You are feeling very low, you are in depression, you are feeling very negative energy. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants, as per dynamics, Mercury is retrograde, Mars is also retrograde, and this whole week brings mixed results for you. Your fortune is not in your favor. You are struggling a lot in your, for your finance, for your earning money. Your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. You are feeling very low and very disturbed, because this whole week brings a lot of tension for you at your workplace. If you want to start anything new, you have to be patient and wait, because this is not a right week. But one thing is very promising in this week. Some new offers will knock you after Wednesday, and you will feel little bit positive from Thursday to Saturday. Overall, this week brings mixed result for you. Start of the week is struggling, but end of the week will be a promising, and you will be in another height of success end of the week, because you feel very positive energy, because you get some new offers related to your job or related to switch off your job. If you wanna switch off, then weekend is especially Thursday, Friday and Saturday will be a good days. You may get some new offers from somewhere. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Scorpio Ascendants, some good gains will make you happy. Unexpected money will enter in your account, and this time when your business will flourish, and you may be a part of any foreign venture. If you want a settlement, if you want to settle yourself in foreign land, this is a very productive week for you. You may get some new foreign business partner. They will help you a lot, they will guide you a lot, and they be a part of your professional life. This whole week will be a very good and very positive for you in the terms of making money and saving. This whole week you will be on another height of success. You will enjoy all type of comforts. You will enjoy all types of materialistic gains. So do some wonders and do some good deeds with others. This is a time when your good fortune started smile for you. But your Ascendant Lord is a retrograde motion. But overall the retrogression is in good house, so it will give you fruitful results. So you will get name, fame, prosperity, and your all desires will be fulfilled. You will get recognized, and you will feel very much relief and comfort. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendants. Sagittarius Ascendants, Jupiter is in your first house, will give you lot of positive energy. Good fortune is in your favor, and if you want to switch off your job, this is an ultimate week for you. Good fortune started smile for you. If you are a businessman, you will blessed with a lot of unexpected gains. Money will knock, money will come in your account unexpected way. Your health will be fine, and your tie-ups with your family will be ultimate. Your friends will support you. You will enjoy a lot of benefits. You will be on another success of height. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains, and your savings will rise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. This week you will be on top and another height of success. Overall, this is a time when you should take advantage of this period, because this period never come back in your life, because Jupiter is in your first house, will give you a lot of good gains. Those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, this week will make your life easy and better. So now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Capricorn, Saturn is in your first house in direct motion. No doubt you are a little bit better position compared to last 6 months or 5 months, but overall Saturn is not comfortable in first house. That may be in Capricorn sign, but in first house in Kalpurish Kundli, not a Saturn comfortable here. So please be a polite talk with your spouse. Don't try to fight with your husband. Don't try to fight with your loved one, because this week there is some confusion and there is some distraction from your life partner, and you may be a part of any litigation, or you may be a part of any arguments with your spouse. Please be humble, keep calm yourself. Jupiter is soon entering your first house, then your whole life will be changed after 20th November. But this whole week brings a lot of mixed results for you in the terms of your marriage life, in the terms of your relationship with your spouse or loved one is not very promising. So you need to be positive and stay happy and think positive, and must start worship of Kali Mata. It will help you a lot for give you a lot of positive energy. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Aquarius ascendants, you will blessed with unexpected gains from your old investments. If you are a businessman, you will be another height of success. Some unexpected money will knock you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will fine. You will enjoy a lot of materialistic gains. You will enjoy a lot of family atmosphere. You will spend some quality time with your family. If you are a businessman, if you are a trader, if you are trading any type of things, like you are a shopkeeper or you are a manufacturer, you will get bundles of gains during this week. Your health will fine and you will enjoy a lot of comfort. Some new friends will enter in your life and they will give you very good advice, which will act like a game changer for you. This whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You will be on another height of success. If you want to invest your money in stock market, then Thursday or Friday will be a good days for you, and you will enjoy a lot of benefits from your old investments. Some unexpected money will enter in your account and you will feel very blessed and very positive, because time is in your favor and you will be on another height of success. Your family, your spouse, your friends, your elders and your siblings will support you a lot. Whatever your desire, whatever your dreams will come true. Now I'm going to talk about last sign, that is Pisces. Pisces, this whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You will enjoy a lot of materialistic gains. If you are in a relationship, if you are in an affair, your affair may turn in your long-lasting relationship like marriage, and you will enjoy a lot of comfort. You spend your money in luxury this time when you feel very positive and very promising, but don't sign any new deal. Don't try to be a part of any new venture, because Mercury is retrograde in this week. You have to wait till 1st of November or 5th of November. Once Mercury may direct, you may start anything new and you will enjoy a lot of benefits and comforts. Thank you for watching my video. I am praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.